Welcome to this brief overview of Pakistan's political, social, and economic history over the past 7 decades. Pakistan's history is complex and has had a significant impact on the country's current state. Let's dive in. Pakistan's creation in 1947 was a significant event in the region's history. The partition of India led to the creation of Pakistan, a country for Muslims. This event had a profound impact on the region and its people. Indus Valley Civilization, circa 3300 to 1300 BCE. The region that is now Pakistan was home to one of the world's earliest urban civilizations, the Indus Valley Civilization. Excavations at sites like Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa have revealed advanced urban planning, sophisticated drainage systems, and a writing system. Pakistan has faced political instability since its creation. Military coups and political turmoil have plagued the country, leading to a lack of stability and progress. Pakistan adopted its first constitution in 1956, establishing itself as an Islamic republic. The country faced political instability and frequent changes in government. The first 5-year plan was implemented to promote economic development. Pakistan joined the Southeast Asia Treaty Organization, SEATO, and formed close ties with the United States. Despite political instability, Pakistan has made significant efforts towards economic development. However, the country still faces many challenges, including poverty, corruption, and an unequal distribution of wealth. Pakistan experienced rapid economic growth during this period, known as the Decade of Development. The Indus Waters Treaty was signed with India in 1960, dividing the water resources of the Indus River system between the two countries. Tensions escalated with India, leading to the Indo-Pakistani War of 1965 over the disputed region of Kashmir. Ayub Khan's military rule faced increasing opposition, and protests demanding democratic reforms emerged. Pakistan's location has made it a key player in the war on terror. The country has faced significant challenges due to its involvement in the conflict, including terrorism, displacement, and economic losses. General Ayub Khan held the first general elections in 1970, which resulted in a victory for the Awami League Party in East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, and the Pakistan People's Party, PPP, in West Pakistan. Political differences and military crackdowns in East Pakistan led to the Bangladesh Liberation War in 1971, resulting in the secession of East Pakistan and the formation of Bangladesh. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto became Pakistan's first civilian president in 1971. Bhutto nationalized industries and implemented socialist policies. The 1973 constitution was adopted, giving more autonomy to provinces. Pakistan's history is complex and has had a significant impact on the country's current state. Despite facing many challenges, Pakistan has made significant progress towards economic development and stability. However, the country still faces many challenges that need to be addressed. General Zia-ul-Haq came to power in a military coup in 1977 and imposed martial law. Pakistan became a key player in the Afghan War, 1979 to 1989, supporting Afghan mujahideen against Soviet forces. Zia-ul-Haq introduced Islamization policies, including the controversial Hudud ordinances. Zia-ul-Haq's regime faced opposition from pro-democracy movements and political parties. Benazir Bhutto, daughter of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, became the first female Prime Minister of Pakistan in 1988. Political instability continued, with frequent changes in government. Pakistan conducted its first nuclear tests in 1998, in response to India's nuclear tests. Nawaz Sharif became Prime Minister in 1997 and initiated economic reforms. Pervez Musharraf, the Chief of Army Staff, seized power in a bloodless coup in 1999 and became the president. Musharraf's regime faced opposition from political parties and Islamist groups. Pakistan supported the United States in the War on Terror after the September 11 attacks in 2001. Tensions with India flared up in 2001 to 2002, leading to a military standoff known as the 2001 to 2002 India-Pakistan standoff. In 2008, Benazir Bhutto was assassinated, leading to widespread protests and political unrest. The Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI) party, led by Imran Khan, gained popularity as a political force. Pakistan faced significant challenges, including terrorism, economic instability, and energy crises. Operation Zarbiyaz was launched in 2014 to combat militant groups in the tribal regions. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor (CPEC) project was initiated, aiming to boost infrastructure development and trade between the two countries. Nawaz Sharif's government faced corruption allegations, leading to his disqualification as Prime Minister in 2017. Imran Khan's PTI party emerged as the leading party in the 2018 general elections, and Khan became the Prime Minister. Pakistan continued to navigate regional tensions, including strained relations with India and the Afghan peace process. COVID-19 pandemic significantly impacted Pakistan, leading to health and economic challenges. Tensions with India escalated, particularly in the disputed region of Kashmir. Pakistan played a role in facilitating peace talks between the Afghan government and the Taliban. Imran Khan's government focused on economic reforms, poverty alleviation, and governance reforms.